You okay? Okay, yeah. Oops. So now they're going to record. Hello, we're gonna introduce our teacher. We're going to introduce our teachers first, okay? Okay. Hello. I'm Tegan. Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi, I'm Yulia. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Hello, I'm Shay. Okay, and other children. Let's say hi to the class. Oops.
画面をズームにしてもらってもいいですか？
すいません。
カメラをもう少し寄ってもらってもいいですか？
わかりました。
はい、すみません、ありがとうございます。
ではなく、これでどうですか？いいですか？ Okay.
All right, now let's begin. Okay, how's the weather now in Brisbane? Everyone, how's the weather now? Let's check outside. What's the weather like?
The sun?
What is
The sun outside?
And it's summertime. Japan's winter now.
Summer.
Standing outside, would you show the gesture like this? Is it sunny there?
Yes. That's me. That's Hako me. Yes. Okay, good.
Okay, let's tell the weather. In Japan too. Yes. Very cold. Still winter.
But here is very hot.
Yes. でもみんな見て、オーストラリアは What's the season like? はい、オーストラリアはね、暑いの。だからお友達のお洋服見てて。Wearing long sleeve shirts. It must be very hot out there.
Yes, it's very hot today.
Very hot, right? But here in Masaki, Japan, it's freezing. It's still very cold. All right.
Yes.
So now, would you show something?
Huh?
Would you sing something today? Are you going to sing?
Yes. Okay, now we're going to sing.
Okay, yes.
Sing yes first. Shall we sing?
Ready? We're going to sing song. Sing Kala in sign language. Ready? With your hand. Ready? Ready. Yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes, listen with your eyes, and sing. gonna do Viavan as well? Ready?
Okay, we going to sing one more song.
Ready for Viavan?
もう一曲歌います。
We are one, but we are many, and from old to last we share everything, and sing in one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. Yeah!
聞こえましたか？
G'day everybody. How are you going? My name's Darren. I'm from Australia too. My hometown's the Gold Coast. Very close to you guys. Nice to see you all.
Nice to see you.
幼稚園でラグビーを教えてくれています。He is teaching kids rugby to the children. Yeah, kids rugby. We play. Yeah, kids rugby with Darren teacher. Okay? So now it's our turn. It's our turn now. Let's see 7 steps together, okay? So please listen to us. And if possible, please mute yours. Okay, yourself.
Okay, I will start now.
Thank you. Okay. So please wait a moment. I'm going to play the song. Wait a moment. Let's see. Not yet. Wait a moment. Everyone, how's the song? Do you enjoy it? Yeah, we enjoy it. Sing a sample. All right. Any questions? Please unmute the sound. Thank you.
Happy to you.
So did you enjoy our 7 steps?
Yeah, we enjoyed it very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
The song was from the famous cartoon Pokemon. 7-step song. So would you sing it? So the music is set, okay? Okay, thank you so much for your time today. And we want to say goodbye together.
Okay, we're gonna say goodbye. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye now. Say bye-bye. Bye.
ありがとうございます。